Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to check system update on Android phone and get Android 15 on any Android phone you are using. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. That being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So currently I'm using Android 14. So I'm going to click on here to head over to my phone setting. Don't get into your phone setting. Next thing you need to do is simply scroll down all the way down and then go to system right here. So simply click on that. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on system update. Then it take you right here. So currently now I'm using Android 14. I'm going to update this into Android 15. And for me to do that, the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on online update. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on continue. That's going to take me to this particular page. So you can scroll down and then see the amount of data you are going to use to upgrade from Android 14 to Android 15 latest version. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on resume right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on use cellular. And it's going to connect installing system update. This can take a little bit some time before the update completely successful install. Once it's completely and successfully installed, we have all full features and latest version of Android 15 on your phone. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to check for system update on Android phone and how you can get Android 15 latest version on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.